G'day guys, welcome back to another video on Advanced Mobile Auto Care. Today we're doing 150,000 logbook service on the Cruze. It's actually got 300,000 on the clock, but it's double 150, so we've got to do 150,000 loggy, which requires the time belt and water pump. That's what we're going to talk about on this video. Inspection is done. Overall it's pretty good, not bad. We drove it, although we advised the customer that, you know, these sort of cars, if they financially comfortable enough, maybe should looking for another car when they can. But yeah, they insist to get this fixed and keep it going on the road. Now also look at these, the rocker cover in there, it's got tons of the oil. So we're going to do the rocker cover, gasket, water pump, timing belt, also this hose. This hose I want to talk about too, because this is getting really thin. Okay, I can feel it. But also the way that I can show on the video is that you see how this clamp sort of goes down and the end of the hose sort of flares out. Okay, that's an indicator. Alright, this hose needs changing too. It's on the way. For some reason it happens a lot on the Cruzes. Yeah, but other than that, it's not too bad. So yeah, let's get the service started and the timing belt replaced and take it from there. Okay, we had the rocker cover off. Look at these, it's all leaking pretty bad. And look at the spark plug holes, all full of oil. So main thing is just because these rubber, okay, they're worn out, they don't do the job anymore. They're very, it's not too bad, but they are not sealing properly. Especially those each plug, spark plug holes, it's got the individual gasket or O-ring, what you're going to call, and they just perished. So the oil is actually leaks or sneaks underneath onto the spark plugs. Very important. So yeah. Okay, so now we've got everything removed, access to the timing belt. So we've got so with the timing belt you have to line everything they're supposed to, otherwise you're not going to run the car properly. Yeah, or it could damage the engine. So the special tool to hold it in there. It's all. So what's next? We're gonna take everything out. So we're gonna replace the belt, replace the pulleys, even the water pump. Technically the water pump is not driven by the time belt system, but we highly recommend it because it's still sort of partially, when you put a cover on, what happens when it's a leak, it could leak into it, and you know, yeah, to leak onto the belt, and yeah, you got to redo the whole thing again. So every time you do it, water pump, belt, pulley, tensioner, all that, it's pretty much no-brainer. So let's do it. Okay, so the time belt is on, new water pump, belt, the marks, everything all lined up. And before we put everything back on, we gonna make a full turn, make sure all the dots, everything's all lined up, and then we can put everything back on and finish the job. Okay, that's perfect. So, all right, yep, reverse everything back on, finish the job, put a new oil filter in it, and all done. That's all done now. Test drove the vehicle, it runs like a dream. We also cleaned all the oil leaks residues, everything's all done. So, another happy customer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.